Good morning, guys. Welcome back to our channel. I hope everybody is doing great out there. In today's video, I'm going to take you through how you can book a business domain either for your website or for your e-commerce website. So any business, you would need a web domain name. I am at Ajuba Tech domain website, where we can register a new web domain very easily. Let's search for the available domain name and find if it's available or not. So you can see here it is looking for me if there is any availability for my requested web domain. Good news! My requested domain is available and here is the list of available domain names. It's all up to us how we are going to do that. Either go with .au, which is costing us $40 for 2 years, or any other based on the requirements. .au is very country-specific, it's for Australia. .com is the universal one, which is being used in many countries. If you are looking for your country-specific, click on Show More and find a suitable one. Let's go with the .com or maybe .au. These are in New Zealand dollar, not in USD, so it's cheaper than other provider if you want to compare. So I'm going to add it into my cart. I'm going to go to cart, and then I need any additional services from them. I don't need anything else. So I'm going to pay securely, and here I can just set up my account if I'm the new customer, or if I have got my. So this is the existing customer. Login in. Existing customer can log in using their credentials, and new customers can sign up, and then register the domain name, and after can manage important information regarding your business domain and personal account details. This page will create you as a new user. Then I need to go to the payment page, which is straightforward. So as you can see, I'm in my account. So once you are signed in, you can see your account details in here. So go to your account and then you can say visit my account, and then this page will take you at the back of your account where you can see all of your details in there. So there are a few services which has been expired and few services which are already in there. I have successfully logged in now, as you can see here. As you can see, all of my other web domains are listed here, and even I can manage web hosting accounts through this admin panel. This is how you can register your domains, and then you move on to the next step, which is how you can install web hosting. Same when you are logged into this page, you can have the web hosting, and web hosting are different types. When you register a domain, it is recommended to register web hosting from the same provider, because they are simply linked with their domain name servers and records. And domain name servers are very important. If they are not pointed correctly to the hosting, the website will not work. As you can see, this is my web domains name servers. These are pointing out to the relevant hosting accounts where the websites are being hosted. This is mostly the domain name setup, and I hope this is being clear on how we can easily register a domain name. Once you have got your hosting within the same account, you can take control to your cPanel, where you can manage more other accounts information, like you have email accounts, databases, servers and installations towards to the different apps. I'll take you to the cPanel tutorial in the next video. I hope you liked this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel.